Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amber and I'm really excited because today I'm going to be trying out Cécred for the very first time. Beyonce recently launched a styling collection and when I saw that she had a mousse in this line, I knew I had to try it out for myself. I picked up the Stronghold Gel, which is technically not for wash and goes, but that is what I'll be using it for, as well as the Wrap and Set Foam Mousse to see how they perform. Now let's jump into the video and see how these products work. I'm starting off freshly washed detangled hair. The first product I'm going in with is the Wrap Set and Foam. I like to work in small sections to make sure I'm fully coating my hair with product, and I always make sure my hair is wet so the product can absorb properly. I take about 3 to 4 pumps and rake it through each section with my fingers, and then only if I need to, I take my Tangle Teezer to make sure the product is evenly distributed. The scent is really interesting. It reminds me of something I can't quite put my finger on, but it's very pleasant. The description said it's a Temple Oud fragrance with notes of Australian sandalwood, warm musk, night blooming jasmine, Haitian vetiver, and violet leaves. I love that it's not overpowering or overly sweet. It just smells rich. Texture wise, it raked through my curls beautifully. It felt moisturizing and lightweight, lightly thanks to the jojoba oil, which is actually my favorite oil to use because of the shine it provides. While it didn't have a massive amount of slip and felt a tad bit sticky, I could immediately tell it was going to provide a great hold. The purpose of this foam is to mold and define endless styles while adding shine, body, and hold while giving you 72 hours of frizz control and humidity resistance. It's also non-flaking and conditions hair, so you're able to keep your styles for longer without dryness and buildup. It's perfect to use on roller sets, heatless curls, braid outs, pixies, wraps, and of course wash and goes. What I love most is it works with or without heat, but if you do choose to blow dry or diffuse, it includes heat protection up to 450 Fahrenheit, which is standard across this entire collection. Overall, I really enjoyed this product. My curls felt moisturized and looked incredibly shiny. I did notice a little frizz in the back, but that might have just been a case of needing a bit more water or product in that specific area. For a lightweight foam, the definition and hold are definitely there. Next up is the Stronghold Gel. Since this product has a thicker, almost paste-like consistency, I made sure to separate a small section of hair and ensured it was thoroughly wet before applying. I only needed about a dime size amount. To apply, I smoothed and raked it through with my fingers and followed up with my Tangle Teezer to give my curls more definition. Just like the foam, this gel features that same fancy Temple Oud scent and offers heat protection up to 450 Fahrenheit. What's really cool is that both products contain a thermogloss blend, which is a mix of desert oils like Kalahari melon seed, mongongo, and wild plum. These were specifically chosen because they can withstand extreme heat and dryness. They create a protective barrier while nourishing the hair, which explains that healthy shine I was seeing. To be honest, because this is designed for sculpted styles and slick backs, I was a little worried it might be too strong or crunchy. However, I was pleasantly surprised. It felt smooth and hydrating as I applied it. It definitely weighed my curls down just enough, which is always a good sign for a gel. Also, its non-drying formula that promises a 24-hour firm, flexible hold with humidity resistance really hits that sweet spot of a moisture to hold ratio, so you're maintaining hair health while keeping your style in place. These two products work together beautifully. While I've been reaching for both ever since, the gel really stood out to me. It gives you a hold that genuinely lasts for days. If you're looking for definition that won't budge but still looks shiny and hydrated, this combo is something you should try. Here's how my hair looked right after styling. My curls were elongated, hydrated, and felt incredibly healthy. Now, it was definitely sticky, but since this gel isn't technically for wash and goes and it is a stronghold gel, I expected that. One thing I have to mention though is the shine. My camera isn't doing it any justice. My hair has so much shine, it just made my hair look healthy and sleek. I sat under the dryer until my scalp was completely dry, then diffused the ends to about 80%. There was no technical reason for stopping there. I was just exhausted and ready to be done. If you want to see a full diffusing tutorial or need a deeper breakdown of my technique, let me know in the comments. This is the final look once it was 100% dry. I was honestly shocked. It wasn't super crunchy, but it had a perfect firm hold. My hair felt moisturized and my scalp felt refreshed. To see how it would handle the humidity, I decided to let the cast break naturally over the next few days. Day 2, there wasn't a massive change. The cast was still there, but it was softening up beautifully. By day 3, the volume was amazing. My hair honestly just got better every single day. Toward the end of the week, I started doing half up, half down styles and buns to really put that hold to the test. And let me tell you, the gel is strong, but it never felt drying and it wasn't flaky. I had a busy week, so I didn't record those styles, but overall, these might be my favorite products right now. I've used them all week and I'm officially obsessed with the gel. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Would you give these a try? If you're already a fan of Cécred, which products are your absolute favorites? I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell so you're notified every time I post. And like always, thank you for watching.